Whatever. Good night, guys.
Wait! Don't leave! Just hang a little longer. I'm so lonely. Please, roomies. Yay!
Sonic's fast, and he's blue.
He's brash and cocky.
He's got rugged good looks. I mean, because he's my arch nemesis. Duh!
Sonic, this is Eggman's Mombot.
Mombot, you're embarrassing me! Get in the hedgehog harness.
What? No way! If you tell anyone about this...
You see, I kind of faked the destruction of my fortress as an excuse to live with you.
Sonic, are you helping Eggman?
What? No.
You never know what to expect around here.
Huh? Don't mind me. Just taking this back to my lair for, research.
Access denied. Maybe we're going about this the wrong way. What kind of stuff does Eggman really care about?
Mustache grooming, that sassy judge from TV who takes no guff, your approval.
If Eggman wanted my approval, he'd give himself a cool password like Chili Dog. Access granted.
Huh?
What's going on here? Oh, Sonic, you look different. Did you get contacts?
I'm here to propose a partnership.
I'm gonna have to think this over.